Have you ever been elbow deep in laundry, frustrated with stubborn stains, and reached for a bottle of Tide, only to be hit with a pang of confusion? Is Tide a secret weapon reserved solely for our friends across the pond? Can you, a resident of, say, Peoria, Illinois, or let's be real, even Lagos, Nigeria, unlock the cleaning power of Tide? Well, fret no more, laundry warriors. Today, we're diving deep into the sudsy world of Tide, dispelling myths, and uncovering the truth about global stain removal. Buckle up, because this video is about to wash away any misconceptions you might have. For decades, Tide has been synonymous with cleaning power in the United States. Commercials featuring happy families and sparkling white clothes ingrained the brand in our minds. But somewhere along the way, a rumor began to swirl: Tide was just for the UK. Perhaps it stemmed from clever marketing campaigns featuring British celebrities, or maybe it was the occasional packaging difference spotted across borders. Whatever the reason, the idea that Tide was somehow exclusive took root. Let's bust this myth wide open. Tide is absolutely not just for UK residents. It's a global brand, gracing laundry shelves in countries worldwide, including, of course, the United States and Nigeria. So, the next time you're at the supermarket, don't hesitate to grab that familiar orange bottle with confidence. Now, there might be a slight wrinkle in this otherwise smooth fabric. While Tide is available globally, the product itself might have some variations depending on your location. Different regions have different cleaning needs and regulations. For instance, the formula in the US might be slightly stronger to tackle tougher stains, while the one in the UK might be gentler on delicate fabrics. But fear not, these variations are minor. The core cleaning power of Tide remains consistent across the board. So, whether you're battling grass stains in Peoria or mud splatters in Lagos, Tide has the muscle to leave your clothes looking their best. But wait, there's more. The Tide brand isn't just about the classic laundry detergent. The Tide family has grown to encompass a whole range of cleaning solutions. From stain removers to dryer sheets, Tide offers a comprehensive arsenal to combat laundry woes of all kinds. And guess what? These fantastic products are available not just in the UK, but globally as well. So, there you have it. Tide is not a secret society for UK residents only. It's a global laundry powerhouse, ready to tackle your toughest stains, regardless of where you call home. Now, you might be wondering, are there any Tide products unique to certain regions? Well, that's a question for another laundry list-worthy video. In the meantime, head out to your local store, grab some Tide, and unleash the cleaning magic on your laundry. Remember, with Tide, a clean future is always in sight. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your clothes sparkling clean.